Can a palm-sized drone really capture 4K aerial footage, fly up to 100 meters away, and stay in the air for 15 minutes? All while costing a fraction of premium drones? Today on Caring Guy, we're reviewing the K01 Mini Drone, a compact, foldable quadcopter that's gaining attention among beginners, kids, and casual drone enthusiasts. But is it actually worth buying? Let's find out. The K01 Mini Drone is designed as an affordable entry-level camera drone. It combines foldable portable design, remote control and smartphone app support, claimed 4K HD camera, air pressure altitude hold, around 15 minutes of flight time, approximately 100-meter control distance, lightweight body weighing about 100 grams. Its compact size makes it easy to carry almost anywhere. Whether you're traveling, camping, visiting the beach, or simply flying in your backyard, the K01 fits easily into a backpack or even a large pocket. The first thing you'll notice is how incredibly small it is. With dimensions of roughly 7 by 7 by 5.5 centimeters when folded, this drone is built for portability. Despite its tiny size, it features foldable arms, protective propeller design, lightweight plastic construction, rechargeable lithium battery, stable quadcopter frame. Being only around 100 grams, it's easy to transport and less intimidating for first-time pilots. One of the biggest selling points is the advertised 4K HD camera. Now, it's important to set realistic expectations. While the product is marketed as having a 4K camera, image quality on budget drones often differs from premium camera drones. For casual social media videos, outdoor photos, and beginner aerial practice, the camera performs reasonably well under good lighting. You'll get wide aerial perspectives, real-time image transmission, FPV viewing through your smartphone, fun family videos, vacation memories, backyard exploration. The camera is ideal for learning aerial photography without spending hundreds of dollars. The K01 is equipped with an air pressure altitude hold system. This feature automatically helps maintain height, making the drone much easier to control. For beginners, that's a huge advantage. Other flight highlights include stable hovering, easy takeoff, responsive controls, indoor and outdoor flying, approximately 100-meter remote control range, and 2.4 GHz anti-interference transmission. The drone also supports smartphone app control for additional convenience. Battery performance is surprisingly respectable for such a small drone. The included rechargeable lithium battery provides approximately up to 15 minutes of flight time. Actual results will vary depending on wind conditions, flight speed, camera usage, aggressive maneuvers. Charging is straightforward, allowing you to quickly prepare for another flight. The K01 is clearly aimed at beginners. Features that make learning easier include one remote control operation, app connectivity, air pressure altitude hold, lightweight frame, compact size, simple controls, indoor practice capability. If you've never flown a drone before, this is a much less intimidating place to start compared to expensive professional drones. Like many beginner drones, small issues can usually be solved easily. If the drone drifts sideways, use the trim or fine-tuning buttons on the remote until it flies straight. If it won't take off, check that every propeller is installed correctly. Diagonal propellers must match the correct motor positions. If one motor doesn't spin, inspect for hair, string, dust, small debris. Even tiny obstructions can stop these small motors from rotating properly. The K01 Mini Drone is a great option for first-time drone pilots, kids with adult supervision, teenagers, beginners learning flight controls, casual hobbyists, travelers, anyone looking for an affordable gift. If your goal is learning to fly before investing in a premium drone, this is an excellent starting point. Pros: ultra lightweight and portable, foldable design, beginner-friendly, remote and app control, air pressure altitude hold, up to 15-minute flight time, around 100-meter control distance, affordable entry-level drone.
Cons: camera quality won't match premium DJI drones. Wind resistance is limited due to its lightweight body. Best performance comes in calm weather.
So, is the K01 Mini Drone worth buying? If you're expecting professional aerial cinematography, this isn't the drone for you. But if you're looking for a compact, affordable, easy-to-fly drone for fun, learning, travel, or gifting, the K01 delivers impressive value for its price. Its lightweight design, beginner-friendly controls, decent flight time, and portable size make it a great first drone for many users. For casual flying and learning the basics of aerial photography, it's definitely worth considering. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest gadget reviews. Have questions about the K01 Mini Drone? Leave them in the comments below, and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, Karen Guy. See you in the next video.